Hi there, this is Angel, and I'm going to show you how to make this experiment. I don't know what to call it, but I'll put it on the title later when I upload this video. So I might upload this on Facebook or YouTube. So now, first you're going to need a cloth, any kind of cloth or towel, like that. Any kind of used or not used towel. And then you're gonna need tissue. This tissue. It's not necessary, so. And then you're gonna need colorful markers. Any kind of color. You can choose how many colors you use. So right now I'm using Stabilo Boss pink and blue. You know. But you can use any kind of brand, you know. Okay. Like that. And then you're gonna need a sponge. Then some water. You can do this near the sink, or you could just bring some water and put it on a glass and that. And then you're also going to need the most important part of this, the soap, the liquid soap. Any kind of soap, any kind of brands, just liquid soap. Like that. I'm using Joy, but well, I recycled this bottle. I don't want to use the bottle my mom and dad use for dishes, so I put some soap on this and there. So after that, you're just gonna put your container, any kind of container, plastic or not, just nothing you eat out of, like that. Well, I tried this experiment the first time and it did work, so I'm gonna try this the third time. But first, if you're not prepared for the materials you're gonna need, you're gonna have to pause the video here and get your stuff and prepare. Okay, so now that you've prepared or anything like that, if you've already prepared your things, materials, you're just gonna get the soap, your soap here, there, and put it here. Okay, so I'm gonna put these here. Okay. Not that much because it might overflow, but if your container is big enough, you can put a lot of it there, like that. Only soap first, and then after that, you're gonna put only a little bit of water. This might get messy, so that's why I brought a cloth to cover. And when I used to not get my table wet, and now I'm just gonna get it there and squeeze it a lot, like that. So you just gonna squeeze and squeeze. Doesn't matter if it overflows. Just put a towel under. Please, just put one. Okay. Make sure you have your parents' permission to do this. Mine are busy and asleep. My dad, well, he did saw me doing this, experimenting on it in the balcony. But right now I'm doing this inside my house. Okay. So make sure there aren't any liquids left and only bubbles, like these bubbles that pop. Like that. It's okay if it overflows. Just put it back on or something. After that, like that, just squeeze it and squeeze it until it's all liquid. You can also use this like that to dry your hands. Okay. Try to squeeze. Just keep doing this. Like that. So if you followed along with me doing this, you're gonna get a tissue or just use your cloth to wipe your hands like that, and then just wipe it. But I know how to wipe my hands. You also know that, so just wipe it. Okay. More. This is an easy experiment. I just like experimenting. I'm only a kid, okay? So, like that. I'm videoing this by myself, and no one else is here right now, except for my mom. She's over there in the door. There. Okay. You're gonna need a lot of tissues, or just wipe it here in your towel, if it's big enough. Because if I wipe it there, I might drop my tablet, because it's recording. It's recording, and I might do that, and you know. So I'm just gonna use a tissue for this one. And I'm gonna wipe my tablet too. I'm wiping it right now. Being careful, okay? After that, you're just going to put this. It's okay if you put your hand there, because this is like dry bubble. It's not that wet. See? I can wipe it here, like that. I have to be careful right now, so after that, we're going to put a color here. A minute. You're just going to smoothen it, make it balanced here in these sides where there are not much bubbles. Just going to balance it into a round shape. Well, in my first experiment, I actually used watercolors, but it didn't work that much because it was too heavy. The watercolors were too heavy, and it dropped to the bottom. So you're just gonna need light watercolor, like liquid, anything, or food coloring like that. You can use that. After that, you're just going to round it off. Okay. After that, wipe it off. Okay. So, these are my experiments. After that, you're gonna take your marker and just color one side of it. I'm gonna draw a line here. I'm gonna draw this line and color that side of the bubbles. It can also easily dry if you use watercolor. I think this will dry too. I'm gonna experiment on that drying. I'm just gonna type it on the description if it dries or anything. I just like doing experiments. I gave up on the watercolors because it was too hard. So then I thought of a marker. I tried it, but it didn't work. But again, I tried it only using the tip, putting the tip on, just like that. And then it actually worked like that. It's a cool color. I'm going to show you this full screen and stuff. Okay, and I'll show you later the full screen. Right now I'm going to take my other color, my other Stabilo blue color, and take the other side and put on green. I mean, let's put on blue, but it sometimes turns green. I don't know, whatever that means, but it sometimes turns green when I mix the colors, because I really don't know why. Sometimes I'm gonna just do that. Actually, this is a blue-green color, I think. A bit blue-green. That's why I mentioned green here. But first, you're gonna draw the line again. Then the center line turns purple, like that. I'm gonna show you later after I do this. And then after that, I'm going to move to this side. I'm going to use my blue marker, the blue one, like that, just below. And I'm going to draw half a heart on this side of the line. And I'm going to just make it deeper so it shows off the colors like that. Now I'm going to use my pink one, my pink Stabilo Boss, and I'm going to use it here like that. Okay, and I'm going to take both my Stabilos and just do that to thicken it more. You can just switch the colors. After that, you're just gonna do designs on each color, a polka dot. But first, you're going to get rid of those bubbles. Just press on it there, like that. And I'm going to do a polka dot. Polka dot here. Polka dots, even in the heart, if you'd like. You could also just draw the heart, color the heart in the inside. Just do that and just do polka dots. And then I'm going to also color this one. I like colors, okay? Like that. And polka dot it too. But first, get rid of that bubble. Or bubbles, and polka dot it a bit only. Just point it like that so it gets thicker and thicker, because sometimes bubbles don't work that fast, and you know what I mean. You know what I mean? Okay, now I'm going to show it to you like this. Wait a minute. I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to take my tablet. Sorry if it's loud. And look at this. I'm guessing it doesn't look defined, but I'm using my tablet, okay? I'm gonna use it on the camera. I'm gonna record this again if you'd like. A second one. I'm going to videotape it again, but in another video. I'm gonna post this still. Okay. Here's the blue with a polka dot over there. Here's the pink in the blue side. There's polka dots of it. can't see it that well here. So you could also mix the colors and don't add any design. Like, just a minute. I'm going to take this back to its place. Here. Okay. Sorry if it's that loud. It's loud. But okay, now I'm going to take one color or use both colors and just do that and mix it. It's okay if you get inside. We're going to just mix the colors. And then I'm going to take the blue and mix. Or you could just take both and mix. It's your choice. Okay. Now I'm going to get it mushy inside. It's okay if you don't get inside the meat, it's just the inside. After that, I'm going to just do that. Okay, so now I'm going to rub it on the mat. Any kind of used mat or not used mat or towel. I'm guessing just call it towel. Okay. Use the edges of it to wipe off these. Okay. After that, you're still going to get the blue sides, use your pink and mix it on the blue sides of this. Okay. I'm going to use your hands or any kind of thing and just I'm guessing it could dry or you're going to play with it. You could use it on any prank or anything like that. Put it on anyone's face. Them thinking it's like something creepy. Okay. I don't know what you're gonna do with this, but it's fun to use. I use this on everything, like design. It's like glitter. Look, I even made a ribbon. Just there. Okay. I know I'm weird. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the colors. I can't rotate my container, so like that. So be careful if you throw this away, cause it still has some liquid in it, cause the bubbles underneath pop, of course. And you're still going to need towel. The towel is necessary, okay? Like that. Okay. So, okay. I'm going to put my tablet back. And thank you for watching. Okay, bye. Bye.